Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Lethabo Mampana and I'm back again with another YouTube video. If it's your first time in this channel, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so you can help your boy grow, and also hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and again hit the notification bell on so you're notified next time I drop. So in today's video is just another day in the life of a broke forex trader, whereby I'm going to show you all the activities that I've been doing all this time for the whole of the day, and also I'm going to break down and show you how I got this result up here. Yes, I'm going to break down NZDJPY and show you the result that you see here on the screen, how I got it. So I'm going to do everything and show you there. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Be sure you watch the video up until the very end so that you can leave me a comment and let me know what is it that you liked about the video and what is it that maybe you didn't like, if you didn't like. And also, if you didn't like the video, or if you didn't get any value from this video, just leave me a thumb down, then I can be aware that you didn't like the video. Yeah, so without any further ado, guys, let's get into the video and let me break it down to you how I got this kind of result up here. Peace. Okay guys, now that we are on my laptop screen right now, let's go ahead and let me show you the trade that I took on NZDJPY. So I was already on NZDJPY chart. So yeah, let me quickly enlarge so we can see the full screen, and let me break it down to you. So firstly, I'm on my 4-hour chart. All right, so on 4-hour chart, what I need to basically see, and guys, I'm not going to make this video too long, so I'm just basically showing you what I did, and I'm going to be quick. So firstly, what I need to see on 4-hour chart, because that's my highest time frame that I go to, what I need to see is the market structure. All right, I want to establish whether the market is bullish or bearish. Right, so once I have established that, then I will move on to 15 minutes time frame, where I will be able basically looking to see a change of character happening to whatever direction the market structure is heading to, if that makes sense. So let's begin right now. So as we can very clearly see, the market here was bullish, but it turned bearish. So I'm going to quickly show you by highlighting the highs and the lows. So let's just begin right here. So this is the high, this is the low. So this is the higher high, this is the higher low. The higher high, then okay, I don't know what's happening there, but yeah. Okay, let's enlarge. Okay, we have a high, we have a low, higher high, a higher low, higher high. Then instead of the market putting a higher low, it went on to break the higher low that was put previously here, right, as you can see denoted there. So I immediately knew that this market has now turned bearish on 4-hour time frame, which is my highest time frame, and I cannot go to any higher time frame further. Right, so I'm looking at this one, and yeah, so this is what I saw on higher time frame. So what I need to then do, once I have figured out where the market is heading to, or the structure of the market, then what I need to do is I need to establish an order block. Right, so we have so many order blocks here, but then you may want to ask, but which order block am I going to go with? Because there are so many order blocks. As you can see, here is an order block, there's another order block here, there's another order block here, there's another order block here. So let me just quickly remove all of this. Just quickly remove, then I can show you why I took a certain order block. Right, so firstly I go and pull out my Fibonacci retracement tool. All right, So what I need to see, I'm going to focus on an order block that is above 50%, right? Anything below, I'm not going to focus on it. Okay, so this is the first order block that I need to focus on, and this is the only order block that I'm focused on right now. All right, so you might want to say, but this order block was violated by this candle up here. All right, so and what I'm going to tell you is that I wouldn't consider that as a violation of that order block. Reason being is that there is no body candle closing above this order block here, so this is regarded as just a liquidity grab, right? So yeah, then after establishing an order block, then I will move to my 15 minute time frame. Okay, so now that we are on 15-minute time frame, let's see what we want to see. Is we want to see a liquidity grab, and we also want to see market changing structure to the downside to realign with the higher time frame. As you can see from here, the market was going up, right? It was going up until it tapped into this order block, 4 hour time frame order block, and it went down, it went up, it went down, right? So you would want to also argue here that, but we have a change of character here, because the market was going up and it couldn't give us a new higher high, but instead it gave us a lower low. So then my thing here will be, but we didn't actually run any liquidity to the upside, so I wouldn't consider this as a change of character as of yet. So then market went up, went up, put in a high which is higher than this one, this low here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? I want you to take note of that. Let me highlight. Low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So what I mean is, this is now a break of structure to the upside. Basically, this is the liquidity run that I was talking about. So there has to be a liquidity grab before we can consider whatever level to the downside a change of character when it gets broken. So right now we have a break of structure, which is liquidity run to the upside. Then we came down and we broke that. So I wouldn't consider this as break off or change of character, because it was only broken by wicks. I'm talking about what's happening here. It was only with wicks, so I consider a change of character when I see a body candle closing below or above if we're changing character to the upside. But if we're changing character to the downside, then I'm expecting to see a body candle closing below, right? Then the market went up, right? It went down again. Then, okay, no, I'm lying. What I did is, I know I shouldn't or I couldn't have taken a trade from here, but what I did instead, because I got fear of missing out got the best of me, and what happened is I highlighted this as my change of character because I was afraid of missing out on this trade, right? Then what I did, then I considered this to be a change of character. Then I looked at this order block right here to be my entry point, right? I looked at this order block here to be my entry point, and I did something of this nature. So this is what I did this is what I did on this pair. So I then entered my trade from here because I was putting my sell limit order here. Then it got triggered and I put my stop loss above this candle here. It got triggered and I was targeting somewhere around here, and I was targeting the low on 4 hour time frame. The low on 4 hour time frame, that's what I was targeting, but unfortunately I couldn't hold up until here. All right, and as you can see, the price really did plummet, but I didn't actually plummet with it because I took my partials. As you can see, the screenshot of the results, or the screenshot of the profits that I took. So here is the screenshot on screen right now, as you can see. Yeah, so basically that's what happened on NZDJPY pair that I took on Friday. Actually, yeah, I took it on Friday because it played out on Friday and I had to wait and leave the trade running over the weekend. And when I woke up on Monday, I woke up in profit, and I actually, firstly, I closed because I entered with a standard lot, one standard lot, but I took partials of 50, of lot size 50, 0.50. But after some few minutes, I told myself, no man, let me just close this and look for another entries. But little did I know that it's going to really plummet really hard. So I'm just waiting for the market right now to break this level to the downside. Then from there, I'm going to wait for a certain order block, then take a trade from there. So yeah, it has been your boy Lethabo Mampana Tisana, and this has been Tisana Wealth. So if you find value in this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, and also hit the notification bell on so you're notified next time I drop. Leave a like so that your boy can grow for the YouTube algorithm. So yeah, it has been your boy Lethabo Mampana Tisana. Peace.